Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, and somebody was trying to make this. They were having a little bit of problem getting it perfect. You can see that glitch right there, and he explained to me how he drew it, and he just drew an ellipse, hit the plus key on the keyboard, held down the control button and moved it down a little bit. And then he took a 2-point line. Let's zoom in. Take a 2-point line and go from there to there, and that's, kind of your call on what's perfect, and who knows what's perfect. And then do the exact same thing on the other side. And he just wondered if there was a quicker way or a better way, and I think I found it. And you can see you could take the, and this is a good lesson regardless. And then you take your virtual segment delete key and delete that line and delete that line. But you can see it's really not perfect, like right there. So what you could do, as a matter of fact, you could just delete that node, bring that node up and see all the work you're having to do, and then bring that node over there, and that's pretty much okay. And then you could just fill in with the Smart Fill tool the different colors, and it looks okay. But it took a little bit of work, and and then when you take away the outline, it'll be a lot better looking. So I suggested, and I've already done it, and already didn't realize I reversed the colors there, is just to use the shadow tool. So we're gonna take an ellipse, and we're gonna go ahead and fill it in with blue, and then we're gonna take the block shadow tool. And I apologize, I don't really remember when it was started coming available, but you need to hold down the control button to make it perfect. And then what's good about it, you still got the block shadow, and you can select it and you break it apart. And then you could actually just click on the block shadow and then make it that color. And then grab the whole thing and take the outline away. The only thing you kind of need to watch is the shadow might come up on the backhand side. Well, very easily just take it, and you could actually, if you had your nudge factor set on something pretty little, like 0.001, you could grab it and just bring it down a little bit till that blue changes back. You can see we're a little bit off on that side, but it looks real. And the good thing, and just like the other one, the good thing about it, you could still click on the item. He actually has to make a bunch of different colors. So you could go yellow and green on the bottom just by right-clicking your mouse. I don't think those would be too good colors, but there's red. And then let's do a pink on top, or maybe that orange, and get a different looking effect. So that's the block shadow tool. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.